Hello and welcome back to the Real Estate Agent School YouTube channel. I am back from the dead. I apologize for the hiatus on YouTube videos. I have been super sick for the last week or so, but we are back and I am super excited for this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 1% rule and why real estate agents need to be doing this one thing to increase their business by 10x. So make sure you stay through the entire video to learn exactly how you can 10x your business if you just implement this one simple skill. Last week, I was having a conversation with a real estate agent that was struggling to grow their business. They were not able to convert leads. They were having conversations, they were prospecting, but for whatever reason, their business was not growing. It sometimes doesn't make sense because you think you're doing all the right things, but in reality, you just need to change one thing. When I say the 1% rule or just getting better by 1% every single day, this may be familiar to you. But I just want to add a little bit of a twist to it so you can understand how this can affect your business and affect you as a successful real estate agent. When you're prospecting, a lot of the time you're growing your script, you're practicing, you're getting better and better every single conversation that you have. But what real estate agents don't realize is how quickly they are giving up. A lot of the times when you're having a conversation and it's not even with a prospect, it's with the seller, it's with a listing agent, it's with a buyer, they're pushing back, giving you an objection and not wanting to negotiate on a repair, whatever it may be. But what most agents are doing is negotiating a little bit, but then falling back and just kind of caving, just either walking away from the conversation, walking away from the door, not pushing that extra 1% to see if they can get just that much closer to their end goal. So the reason I wanted to make this video is have resilience. When you actually do that extra 1% in your real estate business, you will see massive growth. I want to give you an example of this. Say you're having a prospecting conversation and the client is giving you an objection. Normally at that point, you would want to just cave in, walk away, and not continue that conversation. If you decide every single day you're going to ask one extra question. So you're getting an objection and you normally just want to say, okay, great, thanks, have a great day. But you convince yourself to ask one more question. Whatever it may be, try to continue the conversation in the best way you know possible, but just do one more question. What this is going to do is going to push you outside of your comfort zone and help you achieve more as a real estate agent. So in an example of prospecting, say a client is saying, hey, you know what? I am not ready to buy right now due to interest rates. And you're having conversation back and forth and you just don't know where to go. They are just saying, yeah, interest rates are too high for us right now. And you normally just want to kind of fold and walk away. But you've convinced yourself to ask one more question, and that following question takes the conversation to a whole nother level. So you're now asking a question such as, okay, when would you be ready for your next purchase? What level of interest rate would you need to see to make that next purchase? If that next question opened the door to finding out that that client really only needs a % lower interest rate, and you could potentially negotiate that in through a seller credit or whatever it may be, you now just unlock the potential to close that client just by asking one more question. The reason I wanted to make this video is because real estate agents have so much potential to succeed if they push themselves out of their comfort zone. One thing that I've realized is it is really hard though. Don't get me wrong, it's a challenging task to push yourself to ask another question, get into that uncomfortable conversation. But the person that is going to confidently push, obviously don't be salesy, nobody likes a salesperson, but confidently just have a conversation to understand more and to really share your opinion and give feedback is the person that is normally going to be able to get the outcome they want. The person that is confident enough to continue a conversation and handle objections, handle uncomfortable conversations, is usually the person that is going to see the most success in their career. I want you to know that as a real estate agent, you have the capability to change people's lives. A lot of the time we look at prospecting conversations like, I'm bothering this person. They're going to be annoyed that I'm having a conversation with them or calling them or knocking on their door, whatever it may be. But if you can change your mindset around this and actually think, no, what I'm about to do is going to help this person, if possible, achieve their financial goals, achieve their real estate goals, and get in a better spot for them or their family. So what I want you to take away from this video is to take that 1% growth, 1% better mindset into your business this week. I want you to push one step further in every single conversation you have before you, in a sense, give up on the conversation and just try to build a relationship. A lot of the time when you're negotiating or trying to get a client, there's a breaking point where it goes from confident and comfortable to uncomfortable and salesy. We want to get to the point where we can handle some discomfort, but also still be friendly and build relationships with clients. So take this video and get better every single week. Ask one extra question in every single conversation that you have, and you will see your business grow. Real estate agents are seeing a ton of pushback right now with the market, with interest rates, with everything that's going on. And you are going to be able to be more successful than most if you're willing to handle the most discomfort. I have more content coming at you than ever before, and I can't wait to share it with you. Lots of cool stuff going on, exciting announcements, and so stick around. If you don't subscribe to my channel, make sure you do so you can never miss a live door knocking video, live script practice, top producers in the industry, as well as future free resources to help you grow your real estate business. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next video.